She was 17, hair like golden leaves, dancing barefoot down a quiet street. A heart too big for a small town dream. She swore one day she'd spread her wings. She wrote her name in the summer dust, told the wind don't wait for us. And under a sky painted tangerine, she whispered, watch me leave. Oh, she's a wildflower in the rain, grows where the river calls her name, chasing sunsets, chasing stars, running wild with an open heart. No roots could ever hold her down. She belongs to the world now. City lights were a neon dream, a restless heart lost in everything. She fell in love with a boy in June. He swore she'd never fade too soon. But freedom sings a lonely song. Some hearts stay, some move along. She kissed his lips, then held her breath and whispered, don't forget. Oh, she's a wildflower in the rain, grows where the river calls her name, chasing sunsets, chasing stars, running wild with an open heart. No roots could ever hold her down. She belongs to the world now. Years went by, she found her way in a postcard town near Monterey. And on a warm September night, he stood there with the porch light bright. She asked, did you wait for me? He smiled and said, I'll let you be. But darling, every road and every flight still led me back to you tonight. Oh, she's a wildflower in the rain, but even wild hearts can find a place, chasing sunsets, chasing stars. But maybe love's the greatest start. No roots could ever hold her down, but she's finally home now. She was 17, hair like golden leaves, dancing barefoot down a quiet street.